Instant pizza recipe. Using ready-made pizza base. Ingredients needed. Ready-made pizza base. Pizza toppings. Capsicum, onion, mushroom, pane, pizza sauce. Here we use tomato sauce, red chili sauce and seasoning. Mix well and keep aside. Now, spread the pizza sauce over the base. After that, add the toppings as required. At last, add cheese as needed and place over the high grill plate. Before placing the pizza onto the oven, preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. After preheating, place the pizza inside the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Take the pizza out, carefully using oven mittens, and it is ready to be eaten. Enjoy your crispy and juicy pizza.